Hello everyone, welcome back. Now, this is where your training reaches a whole new level off leash control. This is the moment where people look at your pet and think, wow, that's a well trained pet. Let me ask you, can your pet listen to you even without a leash? If yes, that's amazing. If not, perfect, no issues. Because today we are starting to build that level of trust and control. First truth, off leash starts on leash. Most people rush this step. Big mistake. Off leash control is built through strong recall, reliable stay, and focus on you. If these are not consistent yet, don't remove the leash. Step 1, build reliability fast. Ask yourself, does my pet respond 8 9 times out of 10? Not practicing on leash, because off leash is more responsibility. Step 2, use a long leash transition. Before going fully off leash, use a long leash, maybe 10 to 20 feet. This gives freedom to explore, safety backup, and control if needed. And make sure to practice recall, stay, and walking with focus. This is your training bridge. Step 3, the right environment. Never start off leash in a busy area. Start with closed spaces, quiet parks, and where the distractions are less. Set your pet up for success. Step 4, reward heavily for attention. When your pet looks at you, comes back, stays close, then reward big. Make them feel staying near you is better than anything else. Step 5 is practice check ins. This is powerful. Let your pet move freely, but every few seconds call them, reward, release them again. Now they will learn that I can explore, but I stay connected. And step 6 is never lose control. If your pet ignores recall, runs too far, or gets distracted, go back a step. Use the long leash again. Take it as a progress and not on your ego. Step 7, avoid these mistakes. Going off leash too early, not recommended. Not rewarding enough, that's also one of the most common mistakes. Practicing only in one environment and losing patience. These are the four most common mistakes that you need to avoid. Off leash training takes time, but it's worth it. Quick off leash drill. Right after this video, practice with a long leash. Let your pet move, call them back, reward, release again. Repeat this 5 times. Build that habit. And here's something powerful. Off leash control is not about freedom from, it's about freedom with connection. When your pet chooses to listen to you, that's real training. In the next section, we'll tackle real world challenges, barking, aggression, anxiety, and behavioral problems. This is where you become a problem solving trainer. So take it step by step, stay patient, and I'll see you in the next lecture.